Make with us Grandma Bab's Irish soda bread recipe. Stay tuned for the recipe.
Hello everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today with us we have Morgan. This is another child of mine. Morgan is my wonderful friend Patty's daughter. And they're not Italian, they're Irish. And I magically become Irish one day a year around March 17th. And I must have that old meal. Then later we'll check out what we're eating tonight. But right now, Morgan, what are you gonna make for us?
We're gonna be making Irish soda bread. This is my mom's friend Kathy Walsh's mom's recipe, Mary Baker. We've been making it since I was born practically. It's a quick bread recipe and really fast and easy.
And it's really delicious. Believe me, it's delicious. Make it simple, like everything I love to make, simple and delicious.
Exactly.
Right,
Yeah.
And what ingredients are we using, Morgan?
We have flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, milk, eggs, butter, and dried cranberries.
What I love about this recipe, how quickly it comes together, and Morgan's gonna mix it for us.
Okay. So we're first gonna just pour in the flour, then the sugar, the baking powder, the baking soda, some of the sugar,
Got stuck to the bowl. I think it might have been a little wet.
craisins, eggs.
Wow, it really is easy.
Yeah.
I forget from year to year how wonderful it is.
I know,
Go ahead.
right? Milk. So we're just mixing all the ingredients together, except for the butter, which I left out. Now we're just gonna add the butter to bring it all together.
I love being the assistant, let me tell you, this is fun. This is exactly the consistency you want. You see, it's not a very dry bread. And so Morgan's trying to pick up the rest of the flour from the bottom, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay. The best part about this bread is that you don't need any manpower. You don't have to knead at all. All you do is split it in half and spoon it onto the baking sheet.
Okay, let's go ahead and do that.
All right.
It's very exciting.
All right, let's see. Clean hands make the best work tool.
Yes, I agree.
So this should look like a rustic dough, but of course we have to make it fancy while we're here in Alessandra's kitchen.
Of course, perché l'occhio vuole la sua parte, right? It's gotta look pretty to taste delicious.
Exactly.
So what are we gonna do?
We have some raw sugar here that we're just gonna sprinkle on top.
Oven on 350. We'll get it in the oven about an hour.
Yeah.
Is that enough time to eat?
Yeah, should we
Come on, let's eat together. We'll show you what we're having for dinner tonight. And here we are. We're having corned beef, cabbage, potatoes, carrots. The trick is putting a beer in it. If you want to see the video recipe, leave it in the comments and I will make one. But if you're not interested, I understand too. Now, Morgan, to you.
Cheers to Mary Baker.
Remember to slice against the grain. Tender and delicious.
And this is how it should look about after an hour. We're gonna slice it and put some butter on it and enjoy.
Morgan, guess what? My favorite part is when we taste it. So let's taste this together, okay?
All right.
I cannot hand you the knife. It's got to be put down.
I've already done
Bad luck.
that. Or else we'll argue, right?
We'll argue. No, we cannot argue. I love you too much. Okay, so Morgan, do the honors. Let's slice it up and let's enjoy it with some good Irish butter.
All right.
Hear that crunch? Let's take a look inside. Absolutely beautiful. And it smells so wonderful too, right, Morgan?
Absolutely.
I am putting the butter for myself first. Here you go, Morgan. Now together, let's go ahead and taste it.
So good.
Delicioso. Delicious. Okay, so now we're done. After the Guinness, we're gonna have Bailey's now with Irish. So, sounds like a plan? Sounds like a plan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, follow the recipes, make these wonderful recipes. Thank you for Babs. May she rest in peace. But her memory carry on, right? With
Absolutely.
the traditions.
Every year.
That's what it's all about. Right, Morgan? That's why food is love. Grazie. Un bacio? Buttiamo un bacio? La prossima, ciao ciao. Morgan, un po' di italiano. Okay, no, come on. She's been to Italy with us. Come on, Morgan. Niente.
Ciao.
Ciao.
No, not enough.
Arrivederci.
Arrivederci. Okay, she's gonna start. You're gonna have to take Italian lessons soon.
You have to bring me back to Italy.
Yes, anytime. Anybody want to come to Italy with us?
Let's go.
Let's go.